What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at the eufy E110 smart lock, and this is a budget-friendly smart lock, but it doesn't skimp on a lot of the main features that all of us expect from a lock. Number one is built-in Wi-Fi. Nobody wants a little adapter that they have to plug in separately. So with built-in Wi-Fi, you can unlock this with the app, you can unlock this with Bluetooth, you can unlock it with your assistant. You can also unlock it using that keypad on the front of the lock as well. So some of the key specs that I want to let you know. Number one, installation is only going to take about 10 minutes. This is going to be a very easy installation. So it's perfect for your back door, it's perfect for your office, it's perfect for anywhere that you have a deadbolt, because this is going to be able to retrofit that old style deadbolt into a smart lock. Once again, guys, you have built-in Wi-Fi. It will auto-lock, so if you're not around the door, it's going to automatically lock when you leave. So no more running back home to figure out if you locked the door or not. I know I've done that a bunch of times. If you have the eufy doorbell, you can also go ahead and combine these two forces and make it into one awesome smart lock. You can decide who can access your home or your office. Thanks to having a built-in app, you can unlock this remotely. You also get real-time notifications, so when the door locks or unlocks, you can get a notification pushed to your phone. And also with IPX3 waterproof rating, you can put this outside with temperatures ranging from -22 Fahrenheit all the way up to 158 degrees. But let's just go ahead and see what we get inside of the box, and I'm going to install it. Then we're going to check out the app and all of that fun stuff. So once again, this is the eufy E110 smart lock, and I think it looks pretty cool. I like this matte black type of finish. This is the inside portion, so you can manually lock or unlock the door. As you can tell, there's not a lot of parts, making this a very easy install. And it does work on 4 AA batteries, which should last up to about a year. But that's basically it, guys. Let's go ahead, install it, and then check out all the features together. Now we're going to start the install, and the only tool that you're going to need is this Phillips screwdriver if you already have a pre-drilled hole. And the time right now is 1:44, so again, this should only take us about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and start the installation. Step number one is to get the latch. So let's go ahead and place this latch on in, just like so. Step number two is to get the eufy lock. The next step is to get the metal backplate. Bring the wire through the side. And then finish tightening with the Phillips. The next step you want to do is get the back latch and connect the cable right to the back there. Final steps are to install the battery and connect it to the application. The lock is all installed, and it's a pretty nice looking lock. Slim design, very slim line. Let's go ahead and just connect it to the application. Click on Add Device, and then find the eufy E110 Smart Lock. Click on the eufy E110, add it to a home. Let's click on Next. And now you want to scan the QR code that's on the top of the battery bank. So just lift that battery cover and you'll see the QR code is right on top. Press the little sync button that's on the bottom here. Once you hear the beep, click I heard the beep. Next, select your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi SSID. Next, name your door. So I'm going to name this one front door. Now we'll set up a passcode. And that's it. We've literally installed this lock in about 10 minutes. But I do have an update available, so let me go ahead and update the lock. Then we're going to come out and check out the features together. As the lock is updating, I just want to show you a couple features. So you do have a status indicator light right on the top here. Here's your keypad. And then of course you always have that fail-safe, the old school key and lock combination. So no matter if your battery drains or whatever, you can always get in via a key. One special thing about the eufy lock If you look underneath the actual lock itself, you'll see a USB-C port. So if this does run out of power and you have a USB-C battery bank, or you connect the USB-C cable to your phone and then to the lock itself, you'll be able to power this up and give it enough juice so that you can use the keypad and get into your door. So no matter how you look at it, you're never going to be locked out thanks to eufy security protecting your home. And on the back of the lock as well, really nice looking. I think it looks super, super cool. And unlike my other lock that I had on my door, I no longer need an extra sensor to let the lock know that it's locked or unlocked. The eufy Smart Lock is able to do that automatically from an all-in-one type of housing. So again, I think this is a really nice lock, very simple to install, very secure. And again, it's going to serve most people's needs, being able to unlock it with an app, with your voice, with the key, or any other way that you want, including that PIN code. Everything looks modern, everything looks clean, and it's a very easy installation once again. Very, very easy once again. And let me just go ahead and close it. Taking a look at the application, again, eufy products are very intuitive and there's not a lot of guesswork onto how their products actually work. So you have this big lock or unlock button right at the top. And all you have to do either one of those functions is drag it down to the bottom. So now I've just locked my front door and I can easily unlock it. So if someone needs to get in, like a workman or a family member, and I'm not around, I can always just unlock the door that way. And you get a nice little notification there letting me know that, hey, Jabber's unlocked the door, or that Jabber's locked the front door. Checking out events, this way you'll be able to see who exactly locked or unlocked your door. So you can share this with loved ones, family members, or anyone like that. Using this for a rental is a great way to actually secure your front property as well. And that's where you go into manage access. So you can go ahead and add extra people that can access the account. So let me just add a name here, call this one Mike. And you can create a one-time code, perfect for any workmen that have to come in. You can also do a schedule. So if a babysitter or someone like that comes in on a regular basis, maybe the house cleaner, you can have this set up so that they can always enter. You always have that control over your smart lock thanks to eufy security. Clicking on settings, there's just a couple more settings that I want to show you. The most important to me is auto lock, because I sometimes don't remember if I've locked the front door or not. So you can create a timer. If you want your door to lock almost instantaneously, you have 10 seconds, or you can wait up to 3 minutes. I usually like that 30-second range, so by the time I'm in the car and driving away, I know my door is locked. And you can also create a schedule for when auto lock is going to work. Again, perfect for nighttime. Maybe you definitely want to ensure that this door is locked at night. You can create a schedule, but I'm going to create mine as an auto lock all the time. Wrong try protection is perfect. Again, it's going to eliminate people trying to get into your home or your office. Wrong time attempts, you can set the amount of wrong time attempts all the way up to 10, or at least amount of 3. And the cooldown time is going to be 5 minutes or 1 minute. So again, they're not going to be able to keep trying and trying and trying. Of course, the app is going to let you know if there's been a wrong attempt. You're going to know right away that someone's been trying to get into your door. Now, scramble passcode is perfect if you live maybe in an apartment building and you're worried about someone looking over your shoulder and figuring out what your PIN code is. With scramble passcode, you can enter in a few more digits after your actual PIN code, and the lock is going to recognize that you entered in the correct amount of digits, but that you're just entering a few more just to keep peeping toms away. So that's something I definitely like on this lock. And for the notifications, you can either enable or disable those. I actually like to know when my door is locked or unlocked. And if you do have a eufy doorbell, that video doorbell, you can integrate it with this lock as well. So making that the perfect combination. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, everything else is pretty simple. Once again, it's a very, very easy lock. Let me know what you think about this. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Always appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.